everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video we are diving deep into the intense astrological phenomena which is Atichari Jupiter. Basically which means that Jupiter is going to move faster from its normal pace. Usually Jupiter takes 11 to 12 months to cross a particular zodiac sign, but this time Jupiter is just taking 4 months to transit from Gemini to Cancer. So this phenomena will bring lot of changes for many people. So we will discuss this phenomena for each and every zodiac sign in synchronization, starting from Aries rising. You can relate it with your moon sign as well, but primary will be the rising sign. For Aries ascendant people, Jupiter rules their 9th and 12th house. Currently, Jupiter is in their second house. From second house, very fastly Jupiter will transit in their 4th house till October this year. So people who are Aries rising or Aries moon can expect that they are going to see lot of shifts and changes in their finance, in their communication, in their traveling. Also, they can do lot of investments also. Jupiter will come in their 4th house. So this will be a time which will help them to gain that mental peace that will help them in their future also, and the peace that they were looking for a very long time. 4th house also represents vehicles, houses. So Aries people who were planning to buy a new vehicle or buy a new house or property or invest in real estate are also going to get lot of benefit now. Jupiter is functional benefit for Aries people. So that is why this Atichari Jupiter is going to be very favorable for Aries rising or Aries moon. On October 18th, Jupiter will be in their 4th house. From 4th house, Jupiter will be looking at their 8th house and their 10th house as well. So, Jupiter from its aspects will also bring lot of shifts and transformation in their health, in their money which was stuck earlier, and in their career also. So this Atichari Jupiter is going to be a very blessed Jupiter for Aries ascendant or Aries moon sign people. Let's talk about Taurus ascendant or Taurus moon sign people. Jupiter rules their 8th and 11th house. Jupiter is functionally malefic for Taurus people because they are ruled by Venus, and Venus and Jupiter are enemies. But their Jupiter is presently in their ascendant, and very soon, till October this year only, it will transit in their 3rd house. From 2nd to 3rd house, the transit will be very fast. So they can experience changes in their financial growth, in their savings. Also, there can be lot of changes in their family environment. They can see sudden ups and downs in their family, in their savings. They can experience expenditures in the savings that they did for lot of years or for a long time. Also, Jupiter will be in their 3rd house. So this time Jupiter wants to tell them that now it's time to speak up, to show your talents, to show your creativity, especially to show your communication. Stand for what you think is right and speak up. That is what Jupiter is here to tell you. From its 3rd house, the Jupiter will be aspecting your 7th house. So this period can be very good for your relationships, for your marriage. You can enter into a very mature relationship. And also Jupiter will be aspecting your 11th house. So this time you can focus on your desires, on your wishes, not just people's desires or your family members' desires. But Jupiter wants to tell you that focus on your wishes as well and do hard work for the fulfillment of your desires. So all in all, this transit will be quite complicated but good also for Taurus ascendant people if Jupiter is well placed in your chart. For Gemini ascendant people or Gemini moon sign people, this Atichari Jupiter will be transiting from 12th to your 2nd house. As you know, Jupiter rules your 7th and 10th house. 7th house is the house of your partnerships, of your marriage. 10th house is the house of your career. So earlier, during the Jupiter transit in your 12th house, you people would have been quite feeling lonely, or you were isolated, or you didn't want to be more social. But now Jupiter wants to tell you that it is a time that you have to shift your perspective. Don't have to be so lonely and aloof. Instead, you should spend time with your family. You should focus on yourself, and instead of being in that letting go energy of, instead of that energy of not putting efforts or not being so attached. Now it's time to be attached to your money, especially to your savings. This time period will bring lot of good savings and financial growth for you people. Also, Jupiter will help you to understand your money efficiently, how you can work on your savings, how you can spend money more efficiently, how you can save money for your future as well, for your family. From your second house, Jupiter will be looking at your sixth house. So this placement shows that all the problems that you were in earlier, because of which you felt isolated, you felt alone, will be gone, because Jupiter will be blessing your sixth house. The obstacles will be gone, the problems will be gone. That is why this Atichari Jupiter will be quite beneficial for you people. Also, this shows that there will be quite a shift in your career as well, and you can switch a new job or a new business in which your financial growth will be much better than before. But also look at your natal chart and how Jupiter is placed there, then you will get more information. So all in all, this is a good transit for Gemini ascendant or moon sign people. For Cancer ascendant or moon sign people, Atichari Jupiter is going to be a luck booster for you. Jupiter rules your 6th and your 9th house. 9th house is the house of your luck, your bhagya. So this is a time of your bhagyadaya or the rise in your luck. From 11th house, Jupiter will be transiting your first house. So in your first house, obviously Jupiter is going to be exalted. It's kind of making a Panch Mahapurusha. So definitely this can show your health will improve. Your luck will favor you in all areas of life. Your obstacles will be gone. The people who are your competitors or who were trying to pull you down and who brought obstacles in your life will be faced with challenges in their own life by divine will. Because Jupiter also shows divine blessings from God. So that is why this Atichari Jupiter for Cancer ascendant people is very good, and they are going to feel very fortunate, especially in October. All your works that have been laid down or you have not been able to complete your task will be completed. And this also shows that your confidence will be boosted a lot. You will feel a lot of confidence. You will feel really good about your health, your looks also. So this Atichari Jupiter is very good for Cancer ascendant people. Let's talk about Leo rising or moon sign people. Jupiter rules your 5th and 8th house. So this time period can be very transformative in terms of your romantic relationships, in terms of your health also, in terms of your transformation in life, because 8th house is the house of transformation, which is ruled by Jupiter in your chart. Also, Jupiter is a functional benefic for you. From 10th house in your birth chart, it will transit to your 12th house. So what it is showing? It is showing that you have been working quite hard in your life, especially in your career, and you are very conscious about your reputation or fame. And if you're not been feeling that way, then this shows that your Jupiter is in a different position, or you have been going through a different Mahadasha or Antardasha. Okay, this is a general prediction, so don't think it is going to be just like what I said. Many people in the comment section say that I'm not able to relate. Please do your research well. I have done my research well, but you should keep in your mind it is a general reading, a general prediction. So keeping that in mind, for Leo ascendant people, this time will be Jupiter will be telling you that you should focus on your inner growth also, on spirituality, on your inner peace. And that is why you can travel abroad or you can settle in abroad for a particular amount of time during this period. Also, this shows obviously Jupiter is the ruler of your 5th house, of your romantic relationships. When you will go to a foreign place or a place away from where you currently live, you can meet a new partner who can be a real blessing in your life. So that is why this Atichari Jupiter for Leo ascendant people is going to give them a very blessed relationship, especially if you are running through Jupiter, Mahadasha, Antardasha or its special transits. For Virgo rising people, Jupiter will be transiting from your 9th to 11th house. Also, Jupiter rules your 4th and your 7th house, meaning it rules your inner peace, your comfort, and your partnerships, marriage, relationships. So this can show that Virgo people will also get a very strong luck booster. You can enter into a very good relationship which will convert into marriage. This also shows that your desires and wishes will be fulfilled by Jupiter's grace. From 11th house, in October, where Jupiter will be exalted, Jupiter will be looking at your 3rd house. It will be looking at your 5th and your 7th house. So It can show that all your efforts that you have been putting from a long time or that you will put now, you will get good results out of that. Also, in 5th house, Jupiter will show people who are in students or want to pursue higher education will also be benefited. People who are in love relationships, this is a very good time for you. Also, people who want to get married, definitely this is a strong time for you to get married. For Libra rising people, Jupiter rules your 3rd and your 6th house. It will be moving from 8th to 10th house in your birth chart. So now, obviously for Libra rising people, as you people are ruled by Venus, then Jupiter is a functionally malefic planet for you. So it was in your 8th house for since a year or so. And you have been facing a lot of ups and downs, obviously. Especially 6th house lord in the 8th also shows that it can give long-term diseases. But now Jupiter will be moving from your 8th to 10th house. So this time can show that there will be improvement in your career. But I will be honest that Jupiter is obviously the ruler of your 6th and your 3rd house, which shows a lot of hard work and obstacles. So you can face some obstacle and competition in your career now. Obviously, this placement will help you to do more hard work and to, grow more in your career. But these obstacles you will have to deal with. And they will come very fast. You will be amazed how shockingly these obstacles and these people who are there at your workplace are starting to become your competitors out of nowhere. This can happen with you. But in your birth chart, if Jupiter is well placed and it is in a good sign in a good house, then you can expect there can be some really good changes in your career. You can get promotions as well. So all in all, it is a mixed result for Libra ascendant people. For Scorpio rising people, Jupiter is a great planet for you. A functionally beneficial planet, obviously Mars and Jupiter are best friends. Jupiter will be very fastly transiting to your 9th house of luck and bhagya, and there it is going to be exalted in the sign of Cancer. You can expect it now. Definitely your luck will favor you in all areas of life. It will favor you in areas of life where you didn't even expect it. Also, from 8th to 9th house it is transiting, then it can show a lot of transformation, lots of financial growth and sudden financial gains also. From the 9th house, you can expect that Jupiter will enhance your overall life. Okay, now from the 9th house you can see that obviously if you have a strong moon in your chart, then this can show that you can travel to abroad, you can permanently settle in abroad, and there you can get a lot of benefits. Also, people who are in occult or tantra or in sadhanas, they will also get very good results during this Atichari Jupiter, especially for Scorpio rising, Scorpio moon people I'm talking here. So definitely this is a very good time for you people. For Sagittarius rising people or moon sign people, Jupiter rules your 4th and 1st house. Obviously it is your ascendant lord. So now Jupiter will transit. Obviously it has transited to your 7th house of marriage. So this is a very good placement for people who want to get married, who are facing delays in their marriage. Okay, now here one thing is sure, that Jupiter is going to be exalted in your 8th house. So this shows that your health will improve suddenly. There will be sudden transformation obviously in your life, and you will start getting inclined towards occult, towards mysticism, towards spirituality. And this will be very beneficial for you people, because obviously you people are ruled by Jupiter. So if you do things related to Jupiter like spirituality or doing things related to spiritual practices which can make you come closer to God, that will enhance your overall life and overall luck also. So here Jupiter wants to tell you that now it's time to focus on your real essence of Jupiterian quality, and that is to be more close towards God and spirituality. For Capricorn rising people, Jupiter rules your 3rd and 12th house, and it is transiting from 5th to 7th house, which shows that your romantic relationships are going to convert into marriage. And people who are single, who have been looking for a partner, will get very good compatible partner. This can also show that you will become very creative during this time. And also because 5th house is the house of your past life punya karmas, so definitely the good results of your punya karmas will be seen during this particular transit. So all in all, for Capricorn rising people, this is a time period for having good relationships, for marriage and for great partnerships. For Aquarius rising people, Jupiter rules your 2nd and 11th house, and it is transiting from your 4th to 6th house. So, this shows that it is a time period to leave your comfort zone. Leave your comfort zone and do something which really motivates you or challenges you. And this attitude will help you a lot in your career and in your overall life. Bring a service attitude in your life, especially in your workplace. Help people, be more humanitarian. Obviously, here Jupiter also wants to tell you it is being exalted in the 6th house. So it is showing that be more humble towards people, especially at your workplace, and be more helpful. And that will help you a lot in your career. This will be a very transformative time for your career. For Pisces rising people, Jupiter rules your 1st house and 10th house. Obviously, Jupiter is your ascendant lord, so it is obviously always benefit for you. So Jupiter will be transiting from your 3rd to 5th house. It shows that all your hard work, your struggles will be benefited. You will get fruits of your hard work. And in 5th house, it also shows that this can be a time period for new romantic relationship, for new creative works. Also, people who are in creative field, in music, art, or even acting, go out there, give your auditions, and this time you will get successful for sure, because Jupiter is here to grant you that success. So if you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing updates on astrology.